Alright guys, so here's another one. And basically what I'm going to do is trim the shrubs, spray the weeds, put down some fresh pine straw just in the front, and then blow all this pine over here, blow that over there. So the goal is only to do the front today. Oh, this died. Yeah. I may cut that out. This one died as well. All right. I hope I brought the my saw, but if not, that's fine. And trim this. Put some pine straw. And probably just touch this up. Yeah. All right. And put some pine straw over here as well. And I'll show you guys the end result. Stay tuned. And this is the final product. Bam. Nice, thick, long needle pine straw. Shrubs trimmed. And I even made a new plant bed over there. Everything looks good. Customer is super happy. And we are ready for the mowing season. I'm telling you, this is how we do it. Good. Oh, I forgot mine. Then what I'll do is just come by next week with the mulching mower and get these live oak leaves, grind them up, make them look good. And yeah, this is the way I do it, man. Every single spring. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Yeah, everything looking good. Nice. All right, guys, let's keep it moving.